Good morning, students. In our last class, we discussed how to find out average value, RMS value, form factor, and peak factor for a sine wave. In today's class, we are going to be discuss about triangle waveform and how can we find out the average value, RMS value, and form factor and peak factor for a triangle waveform? Okay, now let us take a problem. Here, the given problem is find out the form factor, peak factor for a given waveform. This is the given waveform. That means this triangle is also in symmetrical shape. Symmetrical shape means how the shape and magnitude in positive side is equal to the shape and magnitude in నెగిటివ్ సైడ్ ఆల్సో. అంటే పాజిటివ్ సైడ్ ఎట్లా ఉందో నెగిటివ్ సైడ్ కూడా సేమ్ షేప్ తోటి సేమ్ మ్యాగ్నిట్యూడ్ తోటి ప్రజెంట్ అయి ఉంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఏ symmetrical waveform. This is the given problem and it contains the peak value as a Vm. Okay na? And it is a full cycle from 0 to 2 pi. So this is the given problem. That means given triangular wave. Here on x-axis it represents time and on y-axis it represents the voltage magnitude, and here Vm represents the maximum value. It is the peak value for the given triangle waveform. So let us find the average value for the given triangle waveform. So for finding of the average value or RMS value, we have to find out the function of the given waveform. అంటే గివెన్ వేవ్ఫామ్కి ఫంక్షన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తేనే ఆర్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తేనే మనం యావరేజ్ వాల్యూ కానీ ఆర్ఎంఎస్ వాల్యూ కానీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయగలమమ్మా. సో ఈ ఫంక్షన్ అనేది ఎట్లా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు? సో this is the given triangle waveform. Let us take the points, that is from origin 0, 0 to 0, pi by 2. Okay, so ఈ రెండు పాయింట్స్ని యూస్ చేసి, దట్ ఈస్ వన్ పాయింట్ ఈజ్ 0, 0, దిస్ ఈస్ ది వన్ పాయింట్, అండ్ సెకండ్ పాయింట్ ఈజ్ pi by 2, Vm. అంటే ఎక్స్ కోఆర్డినేట్స్, వై కోఆర్డినేట్స్ గివెన్ ఈక్వేషన్ నుంచి గివెన్ వేవ్ ఫామ్ నుంచి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసామమ్మా. సో నౌ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ది ఈక్వేషన్ బై యూజింగ్ దీస్ 2 points. How can we find out this equation is we know that y is equal to mx plus c. Okay na, where m is the slope of the line. Here instead of v we are having the y, instead of y we are having the value of v. That means on y coordinate we are having the voltage v, and on x-axis we have the value of thetas. That's why I am replacing y as a v and x as a theta. Now we have to find out m, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay na? So here already we taken the points y2 as a Vm and x2 as a pi by 2 and y1 as 0, x1 as 0. If you substitute these values here, we are getting Vm by 2 pi. So the equation is actually y is equal to mx plus c. This is the equation. Instead of v we are instead of phi we are taking v, and instead of x we are taking theta. Here c is equal to 0. Okay na? So actually this is the function of the triangle waveform. Now we are using this waveform and find out the average value. So how can we find out this average value? Means 1 by so by using this equation 1 by pi by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 2 Vm by theta into d theta. So 1 by t integral 0 to t f of t into dt. Actually this is the basic formula for finding out of the average value, but in given problem it is a symmetrical waveform. That means positive shape is equal to the negative shape. If you consider the full cycle, that means from 0 to 2 pi, we are getting the average value as 0. For that purpose we are going to find out only half of the time, that means 0 to pi. Okay na? So here we are taking 0 to pi by 2. Okay na? 1 by pi by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 2 Vm by pi into theta into d theta. This 2 gets on numerator, and this 2 Vm by pi we are getting the outside from integration. So finally we are getting this equation 2 by pi into 2 Vm by pi integral 0 to pi by 2 theta into d theta. So if you simplify this one, we are getting the equation as 4 Vm by pi square into, if you integrate x, we are getting 1 by 2 into x square. Okay na? So if you substitute to the limits, we are getting this equation. So that means 4 Vm by pi square into 1 by 2 into pi square by 4 minus 0. If you simplify this equation, this pi square gets cancelled, and this 4 gets cancelled, and finally we have V average as a 1 by 2 Vm. If you simplify 1 by 2, we getting 0.1. So this is the average value of a triangle waveform. Next, RMS value, that means root mean square value. So mean square value means, how can we get this, is by squaring the function. That means 1 by t integral 0 to t f of t square into dt. Here we are taking the limits 0 to pi by 2. So these are the equation we get, and we are getting this 4 by pi square into Vm square outside. So దీన్ని బయటికి తీసుకొస్తే we are getting 0 to pi by 2 theta square into d theta. So if you integrate this theta square, we are getting 1 by 3 theta cube, and substitute here. So finally we are getting 8 by pi cube Vm square into 1 by 3 theta cube 0 to pi by 2. Okay na? So now we are applying the limits, upper limit minus lower limit, pi by 2 whole cube minus 0 cube. So and substituting the limits and simplify these things, we are getting this equation as 8 by pi cube Vm square into 1 by 3 into pi cube by 8. Here this 8 gets cancelled, and this pi by 3 and pi by 3 gets cancelled. Finally we are having only Vm square by 3. This Vm square gets outside from the root as Vm, and this 3 becomes root 3. If you solve 1 by root 3, we are getting 0.577 into Vm. So this is the overall root mean square value. Next, form factor. How can we find out this form factor? Means by substituting the RMS value and average value in the form factor formula. Already we know that form factor as a VRMS by V average, this one, and already we calculate VRMS as a 0.577 and V average as a 0.5 into Vm. If you simplify this thing, we are getting 1.15. This Vm gets cancelled, so this form factor has no units. And after that we have to find the peak factor. Peak factor is equal to V peak by VRMS. That means V peak is nothing but Vm, and VRMS is 0.577 into Vp. Vp is nothing but Vm. Okay, na? This Vm gets cancelled, and finally we are getting 1.732. So this is the peak factor for the triangle waveform. So this is the process how to find out the average value, RMS value, and form factor and peak factor. If there is a square wave is given, then how can we find out this RMS value, average value, and form factor? So take a square wave as an example and solve yourself. Okay na? సో మీరే ఒక స్క్వేర్ వేవ్ తీసుకొని దాన్ని ఎట్లా సాల్వ్ చేయాలో చూడండి. నేను పంపిస్తాను ఇప్పుడు స్క్వేర్ వేవ్ మీకు. దాన్ని చూసి ఆర్ఎంఎస్ వాల్యూ, యావరేజ్ వాల్యూ, ఫామ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్, పీక్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి నాకు సెండ్ చేయండి వాల్యూస్ ఎంతో. ఓకేనా?